Hey guys, welcome to Learn and Enjoy Kitchen. I'm Azadeh and today we're going to cook a tasty dish with a few ingredients. But before we start, subscribe our channel and hit the bell to get informed of our latest videos. So let's get started. The ingredients are rice 2 cups, yellow fava beans 1 cup, onion 1 large, salt, black pepper and turmeric, and 2 eggs. First, chop half of the onion finely and slice the other half. We use chopped onion in rice and sliced onion for the topping. Put a pan on the stove, add some oil and chopped onion, and sauté till its color changes. When the color of the onion changes, add yellow fava beans to it. You can find yellow fava beans as dry or fresh. Mix them and sauté for a while till their color changes as well. Wash the rice and soak it before cooking. Then add water so that it covers the rice for about 2 centimeters. Then add some salt and turmeric and let it boil and the water dry. When water dries, it's time to add the mixture of yellow beans and onion. Stir and mix well. Then add some oil, put the lid and let it cook for about half an hour. Meanwhile, put another pan on the stove, add some oil to it, and fry a sliced onion. Sauté on medium heat till golden. When its color changes, add a little turmeric and put it aside. You can make Shirazi salad as the side dish and eat it with this dish. To make this salad, you need cucumber, tomato, and onion. Chop all of them finely and in the end, add the seasoning you like. For the seasoning, I use a lot of verjuice, some olive oil, a little dried mint, salt, and black pepper. When the rice is cooked, make fried egg for each person to serve with rice. Now our salad is ready, rice is cooked. Put the egg on the rice and garnish it with fried onion. It's ready to serve. Bon appetit! Dear friends, this was today's simple but tasty dish. I hope you cook it and enjoy it with your family. Don't forget to follow us on other social networks and recommend our channel to your friends. Till another recipe, goodbye.